Hello everyone. In this Power Automate session, we will discuss about the features like manage locally, experimental features, and how we can turn off the flow to stop the unnecessary runs. So let's begin with how we can manage the locally. First, let's understand why we need to manage the locally. Let's say at times of approval may arrive in an unexpected language. In such cases, we can adjust their language preference in Power Automate. Also, additionally, the platform provides the option to select regional format or locally, allowing users to customize date and time formats based on their chosen languages. So now let's see how we can manage the locally. For this, we will navigate to the Power Automate. So here we will open one flow. For example, approval flow with Microsoft Form. I will click on edit mode. So here if I will click on the settings icon, here you go to the view all Power Automate settings. Here you can see the language and the regional format locally. Here you can select the language you want to display in Power Automate window. Here you can choose your language and then you can choose the regional format. You will determine your date and time formats for or your language based on what the language you have chosen. Based on that, you can choose your date and time format. Here you can see the date and time format. It will be can be Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, South Africa. By default, it will be UK. So by choosing this, you can change your regional and locally format of your Power Automate flow. Next is the experimental features. These are the features in Power Automate. Users can have early access to the upcoming functionalities and updates before their global release. It is crucial to note that these features are subject to change, break, or removal at any time, emphasizing the experimental nature of their availability. So, how we can enable the experiment feature in our Power Automate flow? For this, we will go to the Power Automate. Similarly, we will click on View All Power Automate settings, and you can enable these experimental features, and you can click on Save. So now if you want to choose the form ID, if I will click on this, you can see it looks little bit different. Like our normal window and our experimental feature window is little bit different. You can mark it. So this is how experimental features look like. Now next move forward to the another topic, that is the turn off flow. So sometimes we might need to stop the flow to prevent it from running, or we can say sometimes the unnecessary running are going in the flow workflow. So in that case we need to turn off that particular flow so the unnecessary run will not happen. I will tell you one situation. Let's say we have one SharePoint list, and that in one SharePoint list we have created two flows, but the first flow we don't need to run, but it is turn on. So if it is turn on, whenever I will create an item, both the flows are automated cloud flow. So when I will create an item in the SharePoint list, both the flow starts running, because the trigger point is when an item get created in the SharePoint list. To get out of this problem, we can turn off the flow which are not required. So let's see how we can turn off the flow. Let's take this situation. This situation is when a new response is submitted in our Microsoft form. Let's say I will use this Microsoft form device request form. If I will use in our another flow, and this flow is also turn on, then whenever I will submit that form, this flow also trigger. So to stop this, we will come out of this flow, and here you can see the turn off button. Just click on the turn off button, You can see this potential problem with this flow. To see more details, open flow checker. So you can see the status of the flow, that is off. Now to turn on the flow, you just click on the turn on button. The flow will be turned on and it's start running as it is running before. This is how we can manage locally and set language for our Power Automate flow and set locally. So our date and time will come as per our expectation. And also we saw how we can use experimental features before it is released in globally. And the third thing we saw, it is how we can turn off the flow. So that's all for today. Thank you.